Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set medical info on lock screen in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to safety and emergency, and here select medical info. It is already not set, okay, and here you can set your medical info, okay, like your info or your friend info or whatever may be. Just to give the medical info of the person who is using this phone, okay. So here click on medical info, and first option is here turned on already, show info when locked. So when your phone is locked, this information will be showing on the lock screen, okay. So here just first your first enter your first name, okay, name, okay, write your name. So here write my name Prince, and height, so 165 centimeter, okay, height in centimeter, weight 65. Then address, suppose if you would like to give the address, full address, give full address, or if you would like to give this short one, just write the city name only, okay. It is your wish to write your full address, or just mentioning your location, okay. It is your wish. Then click on sex, here male, okay. Then blood type, okay, here you can give blood type. So here A positive, so RH blood type, positive or negative. Here A positive, my blood, so I have given it, okay. Date of birth, if you would like to add date of birth, you can give it, okay. So here my date of birth I am giving 22nd April 1993, okay, and click on OK. Then organ donor, okay, click on organ donor, yes or no, okay. If you would like to do yes, click on yes, okay. Otherwise, if you are not organ donor, just click no, okay. It is your wish to choose yes or no, or no, even you leave it not to set this, okay. And medical condition, health medical condition, that is, if you have any medical specific conditions, you can mention here. For this information will be used at emergency conditions, okay. So if you are, suppose if you are going to unconscious at a particular time, then if other strangers find you and they can read your medical information on lock screen itself, and then they will take care of you that is they will give first aid, and they will bring take you to the medical hospital, like that, okay. Whatever may be reason, for emergency situation, this information will be useful, okay. On all other situation, this information will not be needed. And if you are particularly suffering from some of the critical condition, you can mention here, okay. If nothing, click on nothing, okay. So here I just write nothing because I don't have any medical condition as of now, okay. So medications, your medications for medical treatment, medications or medical treatments, what treatment you are going to take. If you have any medical conditions, accordingly you can write medications here, okay. Allergies and reactions, okay. What food, for what food you have allergies or reactions, or for which type of anything. If you have any particular allergy, such just mention, otherwise just write no, okay. Remarks, if you want to add any more additional information like your phone number or your friend number, okay. So just I give my another contact number, so this contact number will be in my home. So based on this info, they will call that number, and they may hand over you to the you at particular time. Okay, so whatever maybe the situation. Okay, if you really needed emergency situation at that time, other people can know about you, and they can take care of you if they have if they wish. If okay, okay, so finally click on the tick mark. These are all the medical info that I have added, and I just lock my screen, and medical info will be showing on the lock screen. Okay, so at emergency situation it will be showing. Okay, so in this way you can easily, but it is unlocked. Okay, because smart lock is enabled, I think. Okay, okay, but on lock screen it will be showing. Okay, so as of now I cannot able to show it. What's the condition here? Location is off, but device unlock. I go to device unlock, and face and fingerprint have been added. So I am clearing face data first. Click on emergency SOS, and here you can read medical info. Okay, so on lock screen this information will be showing. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.